I'm Maggie.
I'm Ciera.
And I'm Maggie.
And we're from the Gymnastics too. Welcome to Flipping Friday. Today we have an interesting video for you.
It is, can you guess what tumbling sounds like?
So the title sounds kind of weird, but basically whenever you're at practice and you're going through tumbling, I feel like I'm always just like, oh, like that was a red came from back tuck.
Even if you're not paying attention, like you just kind of like know what a tumbling pass sounds like.
So we were like, let's put that to the test. So
We're testing you guys.
Yeah, we're testing you, not us. So we are all going to be doing a couple tumbling passes. Big news for Maggie.
I'm gonna try and tumble today. We don't know like how well it's gonna go because I haven't tumbled in like 135 days. Is like when we're recording this. Like is like when I got my concussion, and then like honestly like
Probably how do you know the day?
Because like 10 days ago it was like 125 when I went to the doctor. So it's like been a long time. So who knows what my
So she got cleared.
Like.
She can tumble until her head hurts.
Until my head hurts or until I see stars. So honestly, who knows how long is that?
But yeah, we're gonna be doing some tumbling, and then basically how this will work. Each tumbling pass there'll be like two for you to guess, and then one that will show the answer. So the first one will be no video, just some sound.
Audio. Then the second one, we're going to like blur the video so that you can like maybe see a little bit of motion to get an idea of what it is, and then the last one's just gonna be the answer.
So yeah, hopefully you guys do well. Make sure you comment down below as you're watching.
And let's get started. sure you guys comment down below how many you got right.
And also give this video a thumbs up. Let's try and get this video to 15,000 thumbs up.
And since it is Flipping Friday, that means there's a new TC2 crew member of the week. So this week's TC2 crew member is...
If you want a chance to be next week's TC2 crew member, all you have to do is hashtag TC2 crew member on a picture of you doing cheer or gymnastics on Instagram.
If you would like to subscribe to our channel, all you have to do is press the red button down below, or you can press our icon over there.
If you want to check out some of our shirts, click the shirt icon over there.
And if you want to watch our last video, you can click it right there.
And we'll see you on Tuesday.
Bye!